Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice. Because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product. Not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase. Not just before. The Filtrete 20x25x1 AC Furnace Air Filter. MERV 11. MPR 1000. Micro-allergen defense. 3-month pleated 1-inch electrostatic air cleaning filter. 2-pack. Actual size 19.688 by 24.688 by 0.84 in. Earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with about this item: make your home your sanctuary. 2-pack of 3-month pleated Filtrete 20x25x1 MERV 11 MPR 1000 AC Furnace Air Filter helps capture unwanted particles from your household air to contribute to a cleaner, fresher home environment. Exclusive technology. Designed with Filtrete 3-in-1 technology to pull in and trap unwanted particles, allowing cleaner air to flow through countless microparticles. With a 1000 MPR and MERV 11 rating, your Filtrete filter will help capture many microparticles from the air passing through it. Certified. This furnace filter is certified asthma and allergy friendly. 2. And helps capture dust, lint and other allergens in your household air. Change your filter often. For optimal performance, make sure to change your filter at least once every 90 days. Versatile uses. Works for changing the air filters in your furnace, air conditioner, heating system or HVAC system. Smart appy. Use the Filtrete Smart app, iOS or Android, to set 30, 60 or 90-day reminders to change your air filter. Most trusted. Filtrete brand is North America's most trusted brand of HVAC filters. Based on 2024 Sago US Brand Health Survey of residential HVAC air filters. See more product details. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is Filtrete MPR 1000 air filter. Made by 3M. Helps capture unwanted particles from your household air to contribute to a cleaner, fresher home environment. Designed with exclusive Filtrete 3-in-1 technology, including a MPR 1000 and MERV 11 rating. Your AC filter will help pull and capture countless microparticles, such as pet dander, smoke and smog, while letting cleaner air flow through. Your Filtrete filter will also capture large particles, including lint, pollen and household dust. Use a 3-month pleated 1-inch home HVAC filter in your furnace, air conditioner or HVAC system. For optimal performance of your heating and cooling system or HVAC system, change your furnace filter at least every 90 days. Note: for easy replacement reminders, create a change countdown in the Filtrete Smart app. Simply use the app to scan the barcode on your filter's packaging. Then choose days for your replacement countdown. When the filter's life is up, you'll get a notification to change your filter. The number 1 recommended HVAC air filter brand. 1. Filtrete's home air filters provide the breakthrough technology needed to change how we clean our air, by filtering out particles both large and invisible. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information features and specs. MERV rating 11 compatible devices. Air conditioner. Furnace filter shape, rectangular product grade, new common applications appliances. Residential measurements, item dimensions LXWX, thickness 24.69, L by 19.69, W by 0.84, th item weight 1.4 pounds, unit count 2, count materials and care material type polypropylene air filter construction. Pleated, additional details EU spare part availability, duration 3 months, warranty and support. Amazon.com return policy. Amazon.com voluntary 30-day return guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. Our voluntary 30-day return guarantee does not affect your legal right of withdrawal in any way. You can find out more about the exceptions and conditions here. Feedbar. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way. And I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.